Hey everybody, I'm back again today. I just want to go over this Ailun, I think you say Ailun, glass screen protector. And as you can see right here on the front of the box, it tells you several different qualities about it. And you can get right here on the back, flip it over, and you can also see it's got surface hardness, anti-shatter film, O-clear coating, and delicate touch, guys. There's several different cool things about this screen protector that caught my attention. And plus I used them on the actual iPhone 11 Pro as well. And well, let's go over what they got in the box real quick. You got the dust absorber. It's like little stickers. Guys, I don't ever use them, but, I mean, y'all might want to. Oh, sorry. Y'all can't quite see that, can you? Let me move it over. All right. So what is the white halo effect? It does tell you a little bit about that. And your chances of even seeing this is 1 in 10,000 or so. So good luck with that, guys. I don't think you're going to have no problems here. So let's move on. The next thing to pop out this box is... Okay, of course, if you don't know, you should have 3 alcohol prep pads in there with the actual stationary wipe off. Them look like the camera covers for your actual camera lens on the rear of the phone. And there's 1, 2, and 3 screen protectors, and then 2 more camera lens protectors. You definitely want to keep them all, well, together, because you're not going to need but 1 unless you're doing 2 phones right now. And like I said, guys, there's all 3 of them in here. I usually double check, make sure things in there. And here we go again. There's 1, 2, and we got number 3 right here as well. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna pull the screen protector out. This is for the rear of the phone. I'll do it last just because. And I do got a secret for you if you want to know. Check my next video or later in the video. The screen protector actually slides on the phone. The phone I have here is the iPhone 14 Pro, and though it is not the Max, it is 6.1. Make sure all your dust is clear off the phone, guys. That's really important. Like I said, I usually just wash my phone off, especially now since phones are waterproof. I literally stuck it under the water and just dried it off real good. Gave it a bath because I did use it before I got the screen protector in. I'm going to open up the first thing you need to do, and this is important, alcohol prep pad. The alcohol pad itself not only gets all the debris and nasty junk off of it that your phone's collected just from being in your pocket or sitting out in public, dust. They do give you the stickers, like I said, but I don't ever use them. Make sure you use this alcohol pad very well. Get it just good as you can get it, and just pull this little microfiber cloth out. You can see it's perfect fit for the phone. What I usually do is I take one side of the microfiber cloth and I dry it real good and clean it on one side. And I usually try to flip it over and then actually dry it off and make sure nothing else is on there. And as I'm doing this, I'm blowing it too, guys. I'm just blowing it and making sure there ain't no dust on it and trying to get it pretty dry, but at the same time where I still got, you know, a little alcohol on it, but not a lot. As you can see, the screen protector does tell you what is the front and what is the back. All you gotta do is grab that sticker and you can pull, guys. When you feel that pull and that screen starts to pull off, you know you're on the right side. Also, your cutouts for your dynamic island on this, or the top where you actually hear. So make sure you start with that section right there, because if you start on the top, you will fall in perfect place, guys. And when you set this on there, just line it up and just drop it. Let it fall right there, and you can see the dart taking over right here, and it's just running. And I'm not even going to apply a lot of pressure, guys. I'm just going to keep up with it. I'm going to let it do its own thing right here because it's real simple to do, like I said. And it's okay. You ain't got to be perfect either. And I'll show you exactly why it always happens. It always happens right here at the bottom. Everybody can't be perfect, you guys. I know. I've done it a million times, and I still get a little bump or shade in there. You see that little air bubble? Just pick up and push it out. There you go. Look how fast that is. And don't mind the phone, guys. Okay, let's see. We'll keep rubbing. I see a little air bubble on this side. Just pick up on the edge of the screen protector, pop it up, and push it right back down, guys, and rub it out. Just slide it up and down and rub the back of it out. Look how easy that is. It just disappears. All right. I do rub right over the whole screen one more time to actually make sure it's pressed down. God, look at all the messages come through. Just keep rubbing it. Like I said, make sure you want to get it good and tight. I mean, you already spent this much time. Go ahead and make sure it's rubbed out correctly. And as you can see, guys, perfect. Oh, don't mind. Well, looky here, guys. You keep going. I rub off the back lens. I'm going to show you how to put the back one on real quick as well. Just clean it off real good. Like I said, I done dried it. I didn't use an alcohol prep pad on this one. I think it'll be fine. So pretty much take it off, and you can line up 2 cameras on the left. There's a double side, and clearly easy to see what side goes on where. It's real simple. Just hold down on one corner, guys, and keep pressing. I like to rub through the middle and up through the edges as well and press it all in. And it's real simple to do. Like I said, the more pressing you do on it, the merrier. You can't hurt it. Just go ahead and make sure it's attached. So when you do get done, it is perfect and you ain't got to worry about it no more. As you can see, guys, it's stuck very well. And this is not the first time I used these Ailun glass screen protectors. They work great for me, guys, and I hope for you too.